Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 5 of the HCBS Final Rule, choosing services and support. The people you support get to decide who their service providers and staff are. Whether at home or during the day, they choose who supports them and they can change providers if they want. Lucas and Marsha learned this from a kale salad, a cup of ramen, and debatably, Kevin Costner's best film.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take Maya to work and pick up the groceries. Steven and Dexter are home today.
Great! I'll make us lunch and we can eat outside. It's a beautiful day.
Cool, and I've got Steven covered.
How are your catching skills?
Well, I don't want to brag, but I have watched every baseball movie ever made.
Well,
Hi, Dexter. I made you lunch.
Thank you, Marsha. I knew you would be an excellent yeoman. Lanterman's yeoman was also named Marsha.
I hope you didn't choose me just because my name is Marsha.
No, of course not. But you do look a lot like Jane Eaton. She's the actress who plays Yeoman Marsha. What's this?
It's lunch.
I have chicken-flavored cup of ramen for lunch.
Dude, you shouldn't have chicken ramen for every meal.
I don't. I have shrimp-flavored ramen for dinner.
Well, today I thought we'd try something new. And let's eat outside.
Outside?
Your eyes can deceive you. Close them and use the Force.
Close my eyes? Are you sure you know how to play softball?
Yeah, I've seen Field of Dreams like 1,000,000 times. If you build it, he will come.
Build what? Who's coming?
You're killing me, Smalls!
Is that another movie?
Wait, tell me you've seen The Sandlot.
I don't live in a movie theater.
Well, you are missing out. Let's take a break and have a snack. For the Jedi, it is time to eat. Huh? Right? Yeah?
I can't eat that. I'm in training.
Well, then let's go inside and get you something you can eat. Hey, Marsha, what do we have in here that's healthy?
Actually, Nova's on her way back from the store because I just used the last bit of kale.
Kale? Yuck. And we get the cup, put the water in, run it through the nuke, and it's ready. 1, 2, 3. Here you go, man. This will hold you till Nova gets back.
I'm not sure cup of ramen is Steven's thing.
Yeah, says the person who thinks Dexter would eat kale.
I just wanted to help Dexter expand his palate.
Huh. Looks like we missed the mark on what they really want.
Hey, bud. Want to trade lunches?
That is acceptable.
You're lucky to have Marsha. Her salads are a home run.
You are fortunate as well. Lucas has mastered the mystical art of ramen.
Yeah, but he can't catch a ball.
Well, at least he doesn't make you go outside.
Dudes, we are literally standing right here.
We should switch.
Lunches? We did that.
No, we should switch staff.
Nova!
oh, hey guys.
Make way for Lanterman! Jumping Jupiter's rings! Follow that saucer!
And you know what the Blurg Blarks would say about this.
Blark, blark!
Just keep your eye on the ball. Home run! Are you sure you've never played softball before?
Yep, and I sure like training with you.
You're a natural, bud.
Thanks, Steven. Want a snack?
You bet.
Lucas and Marsha was switched to provide the best match possible for Dexter and Steven. Everyone has the right to choose their service providers and the people who support them. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.